Guys, today we're taking a look at the features and functionality of the DrCowu large display kitchen food scales. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast, a dieter, or a DIY project enthusiast, these digital weighing scales are your perfect kitchen companion. Find out why these scales are a must-have for every home chef. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the DrCowu K210H large display kitchen scales with precise weighing capabilities ranging from 2 grams to 10 kilograms and increments as small as 1 gram. Whether you're measuring ingredients for a delicate recipe or tracking your food intake for a healthy lifestyle, these scales ensure accurate measurements every time. And I've got to tell you that this kitchen scale isn't just about grams and kilograms. You can actually switch between 6 different units, including kilograms, pounds, ounces, fluid ounces, milliliters, and even milk milliliters. Why milk milliliters, you ask? Well, not all liquids are created equal, and milk's density calls for a more specific measurement for precision in recipes like custard or pancakes, stuff like that. And guys, with a price tag of only £19.99 at the time of this video going live, this is one to watch. Now, before we get into it, DrCowu sent me these K210H weighing scales for my honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. First off, guys, open up the box and we have some paperwork. Then, guys, we have some AAA batteries to power this. So no need to recharge, right? So run out of batteries, put some new ones in. You're always good to go straight out. And we have the scales themselves. Now, taking a look, and we can see that the weighing base is covered in a film to protect it, but you're going to have to remove that before use. Then you have the power on, power off button, which is also a Tare switch. More on that in a second. Then in the middle, you have the large LED display, and on the right hand side you've got a switch to change the units. Now flip it over and you've got the battery compartment where you can install those AAA batteries. Now looking at the design of this, guys, these scales are slim, sleek and minimal, lightweight and easy to store, and this panel is waterproof, meaning that spills are no longer a nightmare. Plus, guys, you get an auto off function which saves battery life, crucial for those times that you forget to turn it off. And another standout feature is the high precision sensors with 4 sensors ensuring accuracy up to 1 gram, meaning your days of second guessing measurements are over. And guys, let me show you an experiment with this. We're going to weigh something very light like this camera lens cover, and you can see that precision firsthand. I can put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off. It weighs the same every time. Now guys, what about that Tare function? Well, let's demonstrate this by zeroing out our container's weight, because that's what this does. What it does is it allows you to put a bowl or something like that on the scale. You press the Tare button and then you start adding your ingredients. But when you press that Tare button, it's going to zero out. So it takes away the measurement of the bowl and only shows you the weight of the ingredients. And lastly, guys, let's not forget about durability. Built with a sturdy stainless steel plate, it withstands the rough and tumble of kitchen life. This isn't just a scale, it's a long-term investment for your kitchen. So guys, there you have it. For anyone serious about cooking or baking, the DrCowu large display kitchen food scales are a game changer. They make your culinary journey about enjoyment and perfection rather than guesswork. With their accurate weighing capabilities, versatile measuring units and user-friendly design, these scales make cooking and baking a breeze. And like I said, with a price tag of only $19.99 at the time of this video going live, these are going to be hard to beat for value over function. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to DrCowu for sending me these kitchen weighing scales to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.